Oh, look what's happening. Hello friends. You just have seen 3 visuals on the screen. What do you think was happening in the visuals? You got it right. Fighting, pushing and bullying. Have you also come across children behaving in the same manner? Follow me to a class where an incident of this kind has happened. You must be wondering why Mojo looks so sad. Let us find out what happened to Mojo in his classroom a few days back.
From tomorrow, Mojo will be the monitor of the class.
How do you think Mojo is behaving after becoming the monitor of the class?
Hey Priya, just give me the book. Look at Rajan. He looks like a football. Such a fatso. By the way, Rohit, today also you have not done my homework. How many times do I have to tell you to do my homework on time?
Please come and stand in the queue.
Get out of my way. I hate standing in the queue.
All the children are standing in the queue.
How dare you say that? I am not going to spare you.
Ronnie will be the new monitor of the class.
Is Ronnie behaving just like Mojo after becoming the monitor of the class?
Ronnie, we are having maths class after the break. But I forgot to bring my maths textbook today.
No problem at all. We can share my maths book.
This is my seat. No, it's mine. Just get up.
Please don't fight. Both of you will get to sit on the seat by turns.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Is everything alright, Chanu?
No one is playing with me. I am left alone ever since my racket has broken.
Don't be sad, Chanu. You can play with my spinning top.
After a few days, a new monitor is to be selected for the class.
Children, you are going to choose your new monitor today. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please cast your vote only after giving proper thought as child. Who will be the best for this task?
Yes, ma'am.
So friends, can you guess who was chosen as the monitor of the class?
The one who got the maximum votes is Ronnie. Congratulations, Ronnie. A big round of applause for him.
What do you think? Why did this happen?
Can you tell me why did you choose Ronnie as your monitor?
Ma'am, Ronnie is very helpful and he doesn't fight with anyone.
He helped us play and study together.
He shared his things with everyone. If someone forget to get something, he would make it a point to lend his own.
And Ronnie never called anybody names or made fun of them.
He never snatched our things or items without our permission.
He did not bully anyone.
Friends, have you seen how Ronnie, with his good behavior, has become everybody's favorite? However, Mojo, because of his bullying, has annoyed all his classmates. Let's see what Mojo is doing. Hitting someone. Snatching food items from his classmates. Bullying or scolding younger children. Pushing and punching other students.
He looks
Calling
like a
classmates
football.
names or teasing them all the time. All these actions are called bullying. And the one who does that is called the bully. So tell me, children, what kind of monitor do you want? Someone who helps and respects others, or a bully? The bad behavior of Mojo made him seem like a villain in the class. Nobody liked him. He was not chosen as the monitor of the class. His classmates start ignoring away from him. He was left with no friend in the class. Now think and tell me, what should Mojo do to get back his friends? Yes, you are right. He should be nice to his classmates. Try to help them and get rid of his bullying habit.